Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am tackling a midweek laundry motivation for you guys. It is Wednesday and I have decided to just go ahead and get ahead of my laundry. That way, hopefully this weekend it's not too bad. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, I do laundry, cleaning, and organization motivation videos. So if you guys are into that kind of thing and that is what motivates you and you love watching cleaning and laundry videos, you are definitely in the right place. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's go ahead and get started. Today I'm going to be starting with my towels and my rags, only because I took everything off of the hooks and the towel racks. So when I'm done cleaning and drying them, all I have to do is hang them right back up. So this is going to be a very load of laundry to start with, and then I will be starting my next load. How is your guys' Wednesday going so far? I hope good. Mine has been pretty busy, but very, very productive. I've been super inspired and productive this week. So I'm very excited to be making this video and to be share a video with you guys a little bit early this week. If you guys are feeling a little bit down or not super motivated to get anything done, cleaning, laundry, errands, whatever it may be, or if you're even feeling just overwhelmed because you have so many things to do, which happens to all of us, I would always recommend just picking the easiest and quickest item off of that list. That way you can kind of get momentum going and at least feel like you've accomplished one thing for the day. As soon as I got the washer and dryer reloaded, I really challenged myself to stay in the laundry room and get the towels and the rags together so that I could put them away and they weren't piled there so that I had to do them later. That way I felt like I was at least getting a little bit ahead of the next load coming out of the dryer. Are you guys the same way where you try and get all of the laundry folded without it piling up in a basket, and then you have tons of piles of clean clothes that aren't put away or folded? Let me know down below in the comments which way you prefer to handle your laundry once it's clean. For the past couple of weeks, I've also been thinking of a new way to store my wash rags, my microfiber cloths that I use to clean with, and my dish rags. I haven't come up with a solution yet, but when I do, if I decide to change it, I will definitely post a video letting you guys know what I chose. I've seen some really cool ideas, but I just don't know if it's practical for me or not. So I don't know if you guys have any ideas. Also, chime in and let me know. This load of laundry, again, is going to be a really easy load to get done. It's just my bedding, so I'm just going to make my bed up really quick as soon as I'm done switching the laundry. And then I can sit down for an hour, get some work done, and switch out the last load. I have learned from so many things I have found in the laundry to always go through everything, not just pockets, but to make sure you're going through hoods, through socks. Things that I find in the laundry for my kids are literally everywhere, and it's everything from wrappers to hair ties, lip gloss, pens. So yes, I always make sure to go through the laundry as well as I can before I load the washer. This is going to be my last load of laundry for the day that I am loading. Coming up, we are going to be doing some serious folding for the kids' clothes and then putting that away. I really do like doing a sweep of laundry in the middle of the week because it does help you feel a little bit more accomplished and motivated to stay on top of your to-do list. When you feel like you actually got the laundry done in one day, one sitting, and it's not taking 2 or 3 days. So this might be a solution for me where I might have this be my normal routine. We will see how it goes on the weekend and see if it's something that I will keep. I decided to put all of his clothes into piles of similar things, so long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, and pants. That way I could quickly kind of fold like items and pile them together. I don't think it made a difference, but I just enjoyed organizing them that way this time. As you know, my kids' clothes are the thing that takes me the longest with the laundry. Everything is turned inside out and everything is put away into their chores. So it's not a load of laundry that's super easy or quick to put away, but it has to be done.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right
Now it's time to put everything away into the drawers and switch out the dryer and the washer, starting my last couple loads of laundry. Then I will go ahead and fold my daughter's laundry, put that away while I'm waiting in the meantime.
don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are
This week, I also decided to try and get my youngest daughter engaged with putting her laundry away, just kind of folding everything, putting it into piles for her, and having her put them away into the drawers nice and neat, kind of teaching her where everything goes and how everything should stay nice, neat, and tidy. That way we can easily access all of her clothes and pick out cute outfits every day.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
Okay, so this is the actual last load of laundry for the day, and it is our clothes, which again is a semi-easy load to put away just because I hang up everything that I possibly can. So there's very little things for me to fold and put away into the drawers, but I will do a quick fold, put everything away here, and I will be done for the day.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be hidden.
As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like this video. I would really appreciate it. If you guys are into this type of content, please make sure you also follow me on Instagram at MamaCoco@home. On that platform, I am posting tons of reels every day for daily motivation. If you guys like that short form content, please be sure to follow me over there and check out my shorts here on my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.